Hello, my name is Milton Hunt, and today I'm making this video especially for those in the meeting planning, conference planning business. Maybe you're even on a committee. You might be the chair of the conference committee. This video is for you. You know, what I've learned over my 30 plus years in presenting at conferences and speaking around the world is this: the right speaker will make the event. Matter of fact, the right speaker with the right message to the right audience is the real key. That's the real formula to success. I don't want to say I'm the right speaker. I think what you should do is look at my LinkedIn profile and see what others have said about me. But I will tell you this: I will bring the energy, I will bring the passion, and people will be engaged. I have some talks that I've crafted that have been just signature staples that I've given multiple times at conferences. One of them is called Maximizing Your Potential. I'll talk about things like communication at conference, resiliency, and one of my favorite topics is leadership. The newest one people are requesting more and more is the DEI message. You know, being full-blooded Native American, we kind of talk about that from a cultural perspective. I also talk a lot about leadership. Hey, listen to this. All leaders are good managers, but not all managers are good leaders. So enough said. If you are looking for a high-impact, engaging, dynamic speaker for your next conference, look no further. My name is Milton Hunt, and I'd love to work with you.